My name is Justin Osinaveolukum. I'm currently a final year student in the Department of Computer Science, University of Benin. I chose Camanda Academy because while I was looking for an internship role in data science and data analytics, I saw Camanda Academy, and thankfully, they offered me the perfect role. My experience at Camanda Academy was nothing short of breathtaking. I got mentorship from not only my team members but also my boss, my CEO. I learned how to collaborate with people. I learned workplace etiquettes, and I was able to build real-time projects that solve typical problems that we are facing in our day-to-day life through the knowledge I got from data science, data analytics, and artificial intelligence. My most valuable skill that I learned in the course of my internship at Camanda Academy was how to be a team player and also how to ship products to the user. Because during the period of my internship, I learned that there was a difference between writing code and works for you and being able to deliver it to the end users, and that's what matters. I will tell you that you have a whole lot to gain from the program. If you thought that, you have knowledge before you started, I can tell you that when you start, you'll be the same person that to tell yourself that you didn't have any knowledge, because you would learn, unlearn, and relearn. So I'm advising you, pick up the form and register.